All right, guys, this my client came. She told me that she wants to barb her hair. I said okay, and she told me that this is her first time of cutting her hair. I said, why do you want to cut the hair? She told me that the hair is inching her, that she wants to cut it. I said, okay, how do you want it? She told me that she wants to barb afro. I said, okay. She told me that I'm going to apply dye, I'm going to put parts in. I said, okay, there is no problem. She was like, let's do some magic. This is when I started cutting the hair. You see the way I carry my clipper backward, because I've textured the hair, I've checked the way the hair grew. Understand? You know what relaxer does to hair? Look at the way her front hair has gone inside. So I told her that she shouldn't worry, that I'm going to do some magic for her. So after I cut the hair finish, I apply some dye. So we got. So now, when you want to apply dye, make sure you apply it very lightly so that the dye will not be much. See the way I apply the dye. So you're going to see the pattern I decided to put for. I wanted to put it this side, but she said I should put it the other side. I said okay. So this is the final touches after the enhancement and the little touches like rolling the hair. This is what we got finally. So as you can see, she loved the hair. She smiled. So this is the final hair. This is what we got. This is ladies cut. This is what we call afro. The side will be a little bit lower. You get. So you're going to see the pattern that I did for her. And she, after everything, I asked if she likes the pattern. She said yes. I said okay. So guys, as you're seeing this video, please like, follow, share. Follow us for more. Thanks.